Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to create the parallax effect on Wix. So this is an example work of mine, a parallax effect on Wix. So don't worry because we are going to have a step-by-step guide on how we can add this effect to our Wix website. So here, what we're going to do is to open our Wix Studio, okay? And then make sure that you have logged in to your Wix account and then go to your site and you'd be able to see here all of your websites. Then after that, you just have to select an existing site if you wish to add a parallax effect on an existing site. So you can do that, but for this one, I'm just going to create a new site. So just click on this option right here, the top right of screen. Then I can go with a studio template or studio blank canvas. So I'm just going to start with the studio blank canvas. Okay, the next thing that you should do here is to add here your image or your element. So just simply click on the add element option. Then here in the quick add, we have the image, or you can also go to the media section. And then what you're going to do here is you just have to click on the upload button right here, or go to the single images, pro galleries. You also have videos. So you can add this element and add a parallax effect. So to make this video simple and for you guys to understand the concept of the parallax effect, I'm just going to use this one. And after that, you just have to stretch it out. Okay, so now that we're ready, you're just going to change the media or upload our own media. So just simply click on it and then click on change image. Then right here, you just have to simply click on upload media and then upload media from computer. Or you can also use media from Wix. So for this video, I'm just going to use media from Wix. That's right. And then here using the search bar at the very top, I'm just going to type out or search for a specific media that you want to use. So I think this one would do. So you just have to simply click on it and then click on the update option at the bottom right of your screen. That's right. Now that you're ready, you just have to simply click on this media. So for us to see the parallax effects clearly, I'm going to add a new section at the bottom. Okay, so now just click on your media. The next thing that you should do is to simply click on this arrow at the top right of your screen. Okay, so let me just click on this arrow right here and then go to the animations and effects. So this icon, just have to click on it. Then after that, you just have to go to the scroll option. That's right, and then click on the add option. Right here, you'd be able to see your animation type or the effects that you want to use. And we have fade, move, expand, shrink, spin, or any other effects that we can use. But of course, we are going to use the parallax. So just simply click on the parallax option. And then here we can also adjust the animation. So here we can adjust the speed and then the animation area. So here when we adjust the speed to the left, as you can see, this is how it's going to look like. Okay, and then here if we adjust it to our right, okay, so we are getting the parallax effect that we want. So it all depends on you and what kind of parallax effect that you want to use for your website. So let me just click on the preview option. So when I scroll down, as you can see, we are getting the parallax effect that we want. Okay, so I'm going to use the other way around. So let me just go back right here and then click on this one and go to the adjust animation. And I'm going to adjust the speed to my right. Okay, so I want this kind of parallax effect for my website. So I think this one is good, so I'll be using this effect. So now let me just click on the edit side option, and then what we're going to do now is to add a new element or a new image, or you can also add a video section, then upload your own video. Okay, so here I am going to upload new media. Okay, so let me just click on this option right here. We can click on the add element option. So this one at the top left of your screen, or go to the site styles. If you want to make changes right here in your site styles, you can take note of this one and then do that later on if you want to change the color to make it very visible that you have a parallax effects on Wix. Okay, so I'm just going to choose a new media right here from Wix. I think this one, and then click on the add to page option. And then we just have to stretch it out. Okay, so I'm going to add a parallax effect on this media as well. So I'm just going to do the same. Just have to simply click on it. So if you want to adjust this media, so you just have to go to the bottom and then adjust it. Okay, so now let us proceed to the settings. So let me just click on this media and click on this arrow at the top right, and then go to the animations and effects, and go to the scroll option. That's right, and then click on the add button. So once you're here, just have to select your animation type. So here we have in and out, and then for the effects, this are the effects. I'm going to select parallax, and I'm going to adjust this one. Okay, so for the speed, I'm going to adjust it to my left or to my right. And then if you want to use the animation area, so you just have to drag this small circle right here at the right side or at the left side. So here, when we preview this one, this is how it's going to look like. Okay, so now the next thing that we should do is to go back to the edit side option. Okay, and then what we're going to do now is to close this editing section, then going back here on our site, and then we are going to add a parallax effect to an existing site. So for example, this one, so I'm just going to click on the edit side option. And then once you're here, next thing that you should do is to simply click on this media like what we have done earlier. So I'm going to add a new section for us to see the parallax effect clearly. So just go to the animation and effects, and just go to the scroll option, and then click on the add option after that. Now right here for the animated element, we have to change this one. Okay, so let me just click on it and then select this option right here, and then click on the parallax effect. That's right, and then now you can adjust the animation, you can adjust the speed and the animation area as well. So when we preview this one, this is how it's going to look like. So take note that a parallax effect is a design technique used in web development and graphic design to create a sense of depth and immersion by moving background and foreground elements at different speeds. So the benefits of parallax effects includes it improves aesthetics, increases engagement, and enhances the storytelling. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.